Bismillah Rahman Rahim and Assalamu Alaikum. You are watching to Veterinary Science for You channel with Dr. Muhammad Iltaf Hussain. If you are watching this channel for the first time, so subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to receive more such informative videos related to veterinary and animal sciences. Today in this lecture we will discuss those points which are important and must be considered before the selection of site for the construction of farms, that is for buffaloes, cows, goat or sheep, etc. So these points must be considered. These are 10 points. That is, the first point is soil, the second one is availability of land, the third one is drainage system, the fourth one is availability of water, the fifth point is electricity, the sixth point is protection from wind and solar radiations, the sixth one is protection from noise and other disturbances, the eighth one is availability of market facility, and the ninth one is transport facility, and the 10th one is miscellaneous. So these points must be kept in mind before the selection of site for farm construction. So the first point is soil. So soil must be suitable for a strong foundation. Morsy, clay, sandy, rock soils are not suitable for building construction. Loamy and gravelly soils are best suited for building construction. The second point is availability of land. So there should be a vast area for building construction and give way for future extension. For 200 cows, 2 to 3 acre land is required for accommodation, while for 2 cows 1 acre land is essential for fodder production. Now the third point is drainage system. So there should be a proper drainage system to drain rain and subsoil water, to keep the environment healthy and to protect the building from dampness. The fourth point is availability of water. So there should be plenty of water for different farm operations like washing, fodder cultivation, processing of milk, byproducts, and for drinking. There should be a water source to provide water constantly. The fifth point is electricity. So there should be the electricity should be available at that area where we are going to construct a building for cow, the buffalo, goat or sheep farms. Electricity used for various machines in the farm and as a lighting source for animals and workers in the farm. The sixth point is protection from wind and solar radiation. So for open or exposed farms, tall quick growing trees should be grown, as trees reduce wind velocity and solar radiations. The seventh point is protection from noise and other disturbances. So these farms or buildings should be constructed away from noise producing industry or factory and sewage disposing area. Industrial wastes pollute surrounding area of the farm, and the noise also reduce the animals productions. It should be away from city. The eighth point, availability of market. So a farm should be away from the city, and at the same time it should be nearer to the city as to sell the products. The ninth point is transport facility. So there should be good roads in the farm and outside the farm, and the required vehicles which reduce the transport cost and avoid spoilage of products. The 10th point is miscellaneous. So other facilities like telephone, nearby schools for the children of workers, post office, a shopping center and entertainment facilities should be there. So that's all about those points which should be kept in mind and must be considered before the selection of site.